In today's video, I want to show you what I do to prepare before starting a new build. For this example, I will be using the Building Bolts BB601 Will Everard kit. It is a fantastic choice for beginners looking to get into this amazing hobby. When you open the box, you will find the building instructions and plans, wood pieces for the hull, canvas for the sails, and other materials like brass and plastic fittings for the deck. The first thing I do is organize all the smaller parts into a container to keep them safe and easy to find. I recommend using one with compartments. It makes life so much easier during the build. Next, I go through the contents of the kit and double check that everything is there. The instructions usually list all the parts, including their numbers, dimensions, materials, and descriptions. Sometimes you may need a caliper to measure and confirm dimensions, just to be sure. Don't forget to inspect the plastic and laser-cut wood parts for any imperfections. If you find any missing or damaged pieces, Building Bolts has a warranty system to help. Just register your kit online using the control number on the warranty card. This will make it faster and easier to request a replacement if you need it. Also, if you have questions while building, check out the Building Bolts Facebook group. It's full of experienced builders who are always happy to share tips and advice. Plus, you will find detailed build logs for popular models like the Bluenose. That's it for today. In the next video, I will show you how I make the ship frame for the Will Everard. Thanks for watching and good luck with your build. See you next time.